Hey, it's Pete, GCI Turf. Hope you're doing good. And I know we normally do our Keep Growing videos on Mondays, but I had a good idea on one right here. So I like to break people up into two categories. There's leaders and there's followers. Well, followers follow leaders, and leaders lead followers. Now, what's that got to do with your business? Well, it's got everything to do with your business, and this is what I mean. At some point, as you're growing your company, you're going to have employees. And a lot of times, these employees, you don't know their entire backstory. You don't know where they come from. You don't know their life circumstance. You don't know what kind of childhood they had. You don't know if their dad's present, if their mom's present. So hey, they need a leader. So in some circumstances, you may be the only role model that they have. Now, hey, whether it's in your church, whether it's in your home, with your kids, with your clients, with your employees, with your buddies, hey, be a leader. Lead them. Somebody has to step up and take the reins and guide people in the right direction. Hey, being a leader in your company and in your family and in your neighborhood and in your workplace, that's a big deal. And hey, that person should be you.